Okay, so hello everybody, Marc-Andre here, and today I'm gonna show you my process for creating the intervention request week that we had to do. So the first thing that I did was the scaffold in intervention model view controller. As you can see, I have my intervention controller here, and I have my view for the intervention, and I also have a model, but model was not used during the day during this project. After that, what I did was I created a migration. I created a migration for the information provided in the documentation for intervention. Here we go. As you can see, it's right here. Once that was created, I started to implement the form and the way it was structured. So this is the structure of my form in HTML. You can see the result, and I will show you the result. I will show the result later on during the video. Okay. Also, when this was done, what I did was I implement the Ajax inside my form. So for that, I had to create a JavaScript file. As you can see, I name it Ajax. So this is my function that requests the necessary information provided in the document inside my form. As you can see, there is 4: one from building, one from battery, one for column, and one for elevator. I have to specify inside my application.js, as you can see here. Okay, yeah. And I also had to add the fresh date ticket. My fresh date ticket was implemented inside my intervention controller. Right here, as you can see, this is my fresh desk function. Then I had to put and the get endpoint of the REST API. Here they are. They were all created inside. I basically did the same thing. I scaffolded an intervention, and it gave me a controller. I implement the put and the get inside my controller. As you can see, I have my put. I have my first get here, and my other 2 puts are right here, as you can see. So this was pretty much the construction of the project. So now we can go to test it, and I can show you the result. So if we go to Rocket Elevator, I'm already logged in as an admin. So we go to the intervention page. So this is the intervention page. So I select a customer, random customer, building. As you can see, all the informations are there through the magic of Ajax. Okay, and this information, I don't know why information is like that, I'm sorry. And I create the intervention. See, so the intervention was successfully created. Now we can go to admin and see the result. If we go to intervention, we can go my last intervention that was just created, and if we go to fresh desk, we can see that new ticket, a new intervention was created by Francis Patrick. Okay, so the intervention was created. Now to test the endpoint created in C#, we can go to Postman and just see that intervention that was just created right now. If I refresh, we can see that the last intervention created by Francis. And here, this is the ID number 6. And here, if we specify the ID, and we go change it, you see it was changed. Same thing in here, if we specify the ID, the changes are done. So I think I went through all my steps. For more information, it's all written in my readme file on my repo. And so thank you for your time, and till next time.